Hello, everyone. This is a recording of the Week 4 quiz for U.S. history in the fall of 2021. Please have your quiz open and follow along as I read each question. Question 1. What action did the colonists take in September of 1774 in response to their grievances with Britain? They began a series of meetings with Native American tribes to build a power base. Representatives from 12 colonies met at a Continental Congress in Philadelphia. They forced the British to send all their troops home and barricaded ports against their return. A colonial representative was sent to King George III to tell him his policies were not working. Question 2. What was the purpose of the Olive Branch Petition? To avoid conflict with Britain by appealing to the king to compromise about their grievances. To try to expand economic trade by bringing in olives from southern Europe. To take a stand against Britain by declaring they are no longer part of the empire. To create conflict among the colonies and show who would support independence and who would not. Question 3. What did radical writings such as Common Sense urge the colonists to do? Pay taxes to help Britain eliminate debt from the French and Indian War. Move out onto the frontier and live among the natives. Declare independence and establish a republic. Insist upon having colonial representation in the British Parliament. Question 4. Who wrote the first draft of the Declaration of Independence? John Adams, Samuel Adams, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson. Question 5. What influence did English philosopher John Locke have on the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson was in communication with John Locke before the committee met to write the Declaration. His ideas that government should protect people's natural rights of life, liberty, and property were included in the document. Locke had formed a British Committee for Independence, which the American Committee patterned itself after. Very little, because Locke urged complete loyalty to the British king and recommended voicing any complaints to Parliament. Question 6. According to the Declaration of Independence, all the following truths are self-evident, except governments get their power from the consent of the people. People have the right to refuse to pay taxes. All people are created equal. Or people have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Question 7. What are the strengths and weaknesses of the British and colonial armies? Match the item on the left with the correct description on the right. Items on the left: colonial army strength, colonial army weakness, British army strength, and British army weakness. Items on the right here: number 1, most powerful army and navy in the world. Number 2, soldiers deeply committed to independence and motivated to fight. Option 3, had to ship supplies a long distance. Option 4, had no way to raise money to feed and supply troops. And finally, question 8, why were the battles of Trenton and Princeton so important for Washington and the Americans? Huge numbers of British soldiers lost their lives. Americans were able to capture supplies that were necessary for the long winter. They gave Americans confidence that victory over Britain was possible. They established the state of New Jersey as an American stronghold. Please answer each question carefully and click Submit Quiz when you are finished. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. Thank you.